Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see on how to download that voter ID through online. Okay, let's get into the video. Search the services something like voter services. I'm just clicking the voter services, and you can see various services provided by our government. And you need to scroll down, and you can see the name something like search name in voter list. Okay, so before that, you need to click that search, and it will be navigated to a specific page called electoralsearch.in. So I suggest you to bookmark this page because this is the registered page to verify your voter ID details. Okay, so please bookmark that. The details are provided in that description. Okay, so here if you check that, it is asking the relevant details related to your voter ID. So first tab you can check search by details, and in the search by detail you must have their names, voter name, and father's or husband name. Okay, and your age or date of birth, and your gender, and state, district, and assembly constituency. Okay, so if you are having these details, you can go with that by searching, by providing your details and searches. And if you don't want to proceed with search details, I suggest you to go to by epic number. Epic number, you must have that epic number that you can see it in that voter ID top of the in top corner. You can see that epic number, so that is a voter number. Okay, so by that you can search with it, because here you don't need to provide any details apart from that epic number. Only thing that you need to select the respective state, that's it. Okay, so let me show you on how to search with the both details. Okay, first I'll just going by that search by details. So I'm providing the details here, and please ensure the name should be exactly matched with the voter ID, and even with the space also consume, because it will that exact search. So please mention, you need to take that capital letters, small letters, and space, everything you need to copy that same thing from voter ID to this portal. Okay, and you need to type your father's name here. Even I mentioned the specific space and caps here. And instead of age, it's better practice to mention your date of birth, because age is defined, means it will be calculated by internal system, so it can be deferred. Means if you're okay with that, you can do that by defining your age, but mentioning your date of birth, it will be, don't get missed anything. Just typing that state, my district, and my constituency. Okay, so finally I just provide all the details, and I'm seeing captcha here, typing the captcha. Yeah, so I'm done. Now I'm searching that. It will take a little time because it need to fetch the details from the portal center. Yeah, so here if you check that, it is written on result, and you can check with that details, and the new page will get open. So in that you can check all the voter information related to that provided details. Here you can check what is the constituency, what is the parliament constituency, and what is the name, what is the epic number. Even you can see the epic number here, and what is the part number, and what is the serial number, what is the polling station. Even you can see the polling station and the polling date, means sorry, so it can be available. And so this detail you can see it here, and if you want, you can download that, you can print that. Okay, by clicking the print voter information, so that you can download it. Yeah, you got download. Here you can check. Super. So you can see all the details in the printed information. So this is the first way. Okay, let me show you with the another. Yeah, that's it. And I'm just providing my state here and captcha and clicking search. Yeah, that's it. So you just provided the epic number, and you can see all the details related to your epic number. The same details, whatever we have seen through the details provided, the basic information. So that's the detail you can see it in this portal, and you can see and you can download that. That's the same as you do earlier. So this is how you need to download that voter information with the epic number as well as your basic details.